Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Page number 232, chapter number 6, pair of words or word often confused. Set number 1, accept, kabul karna. Sentence, he is so honest that is never accept a bride. Except, accept, swai, all except office were present in the class. Number 2, access, 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 rasai, I have no access to the deputy commissioner. EXCESS, excess, jati, excess of everything is bad. Number 3, ADVIC, advice, nasihat, all my advice fell flat on him. Number 2, ADVISC, advice, nasihat karna, I advised him much but to no purpose. Number 4, AFFECT, affect, asar karna, my advice affect him much. EFFECT, effect, asar, every cause has an effect. ale, शराब, the barrel is full of ale. AIL, ale, तकलीफ देना, I don't know what ails you. Number 6, altar, 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 कुर्बान गाह, many animals were brought to him, altar for sacrifice. ALTER, alter, तरमीम करना, it is very difficult for me to alter my program. Number 7, air, हवा, some birds fly in the air. ERE, air, पहले, he will be here or long. Page number 232, HEIR, heir, waris, he is the only heir to his father's property. Number 8, assent, manzuri, the governor has not given his assent to the bill. ASCENT, assent, chadhai, the assent to this is very steep. Number 9, art, AUGST, कोई चीज़, is there art I can do for you. OUGST, art चाहिए, you are to work hard. Number 10, ASSAY, essay, कोई मुश्किल काम, the climbers have made another essay to climb K2. ESSAY, essay, mazmoon, the essay is quite up to the mark. Number 11, agar, Burma, a carpenter bores hole in the wood with an auger. AUGUR, augur, passion goi, it does not augur well for his future. Number 12, angel, ANGL, farishta, Abu bin Adam saw his angel in his room. ANGLE, angel, Zawiya, the son of all the angels of the train. Gli is the sum of all the angles of triangles is equal to 2 triangles. Number 13, opposite, APPOSITE, munasib, his reply was quite opposite. OPPOSITE, opposite, maqabil, my house is just opposite to the hospital. Number 14, abject, ABJECT, akir, a dishonest man leads an abject life. OBJECT, object, maqsad, what is the object of your life? Number 15, accident, ACCIDENT, hadsa, it was a horrible accident. ANCIDENT, incident, waqia, please relate some incident from your own life. Number 16, amiable, dilkash, AMIABLE, your amiable way have endeared you to everybody. Page number 234, AMICABLE, amiable, dostana, let us come to some amiable letters. Number 17, affection, AFFECTION, mohabbat, the mother has great affection for the child. AFFECTATION, affectations, banawat, Nawaz hates Asad for his open affectations on his manners. Number 18, adopt, ADOPT, इख्तियार करना, what profession do you want to adopt? ADAPT, adopt, के मुताबिक बनाना, please adapt yourself to the changing circumstances. Number 19, accede, मंजूर करना, the principal did not accede to my request. AXCEED, accede, बढ़ना, Expenditure should not exceed the income. BALE, bale, gatha. He has bought 2 bales of cotton. BAIL, bail, zamanat. He was released on bail. Number 21. BAD, bad, bura. Arshad is a bad boy. BADE, bad, hukum dena. The teacher bade me to go out. 22. BARE, bear, nanga. He was walking bare-headed in the sun. BEAR, bear, bardasht karna. I cannot bear this insult. 23. BALL, ball, गेंद. He bought a new ball. BAWL, ball, चीखना. Why do you ball like this? 24. BESID, beside, करीब. I live in the house beside the river. BESIDES, besides, अलावा. Besides this is salary. Them cons a lot of money. Breach, shagaf. BREACH. The breach in the canal has been repaired. BREACH, breach. Ahmed got the breach of the gun repaired. Page number 235. BATH, bath, ghusl. He takes a bath every day. BATHE, bath, dhona. The doctor advised me a bath my eyes. 27. BEAT, beat, marna. Don't beat the dog. BAAT, beat, chakandar. Sugar is made of beetroot. 28. BREAK, break, तोड़ना. He is breaking the window pane. BRAK, break. The brakes of the cars have gone out of order. 29. Breathe. BREATH, सांस. She was out of breath. BREATHE, breathe, सांस लेना. It is very difficult to breathe on this room. 30. Beneficial. Mufid. Exercise is beneficial to health. Beneficent, मेहरबान. God is very beneficent to his creature. BWCH, beach, सफेदे की किस्म. Cricket bats are made of beech wood. BEACH, beach, साहिल. I have a long walk along the river beach. 32. BRRY, berry, गोंदनी. Will you like a eat berry? BURY, bury, दफन करना. The Muslims bury the dead bodies. Births. BERTHS, birth, nishist. I have got a birth reserved. BIRTH, birth, पैदाइश. He congratulated me on the birth of my son. 34. Bore. BORE, बर्दाश्त करना. He bore all troubles manfully. BOAR, bore, जंगली सुअर. The hunter killed many boars in the forest. 35. Born, पैदा हुआ. Last night a son was born to her. BORNE, born, बर्दाश्त करना. I have borne my insult. Page number 236. Bridal, arusi. She was wearing a bridal ring. BRIDLE, bridal ragam. He has brought a new bridle for his horse. CANNON, cannon, top. There were cannons everywhere in the battlefield. CANON, cannon, asur. We should not act against the canons of morality. CANVN, canvas. Canvas. These shoes are made of canvas. CANVASS, canvas, vote तलब करना. Every educated is canvas for votes. CHECK, चेक पड़ताल करना. Please check my accounts. CHEQUE, बैंक का चेक. Please get his check cashed. CAST, cast, फेंकना. The fisherman cast his net into the river. CASTE, cast that. He belongs to a respectable caste. CILING, ceiling, निचली छत. The ceiling of my rooms is painted blue. SEALING, ceiling, मोर लगाना. The postman is sealing the letter. Coarse, मोटा, सख्त. He wears coarse clothes. COURSE, coarse, रास्ता. And COURSE, course, nisab. The Ravi has changed its course. We have finished our course. Council, COUNCIL, Majlis. He is a member of the Legislative Council, COUNSEL Council मशवरा, he accept my counsel, CITE cite हवाला देना, the speaker cited Iqbal's verses in the course of his speech, SIGHT cite Nizara, the site was very beautiful, page number 237, cell, CELL cell कोठड़ी, the prisoner was put into a small cell, SCLL cell बेचना, the shopkeeper sells fresh fruit, COMPLI complete दुआ सलाम, please convey my comply, COMPLE comply मुकम्मल करना, this angle is complement, CORD card रस्सी, bind the dog with this card, CHORD card course, the card joins the ends of the arch, cemetery Kabristan, he was buried in the cemetery, SYMMETRY cemetery, Amangi, there is no cemetery in their statement, confident Puratmad, I am confident of my success in the examination, QNFID anti-confident I am Amraz, Akram is my confident in this matter, CORPORL corporal Jasmani, I hate corporal punishment, CORPOREA corporeal 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 Madi, angles are not corporeal beings, CLOTH cloth kapda, I bought cloth, CLOTHES cloth सिले हुए कपड़े, I bought cloths, CASUAL causal इत्तफाकी, causing reading is better than no reading, CAUSAL causal सबसे मुताल्लिक, there is a causal connection between food and health, CENSOR कैंसर एहतसाब, he is a member of the cancer board, CNSUR कंसोर्ट मलामत करना, he consoled his conduct, CORPSE corpse लाश, a corpse was floating in the water, CORPS corpse रसाला, Ahmed has joined National Cadet Corps. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, page number 238, CATTLE cattle मवेशी, cattle are grazing in the field, KETTLE cattle देखची, Razia brought a cattle, CUNSCIOUS conscious बाखबर, he is conscious of his weakness, CUNSCIENCE conscious ज़मीर, I follow the dictates of my conscience, credible CREDIBLE काबिल एतमाद, his story is not at all credible, CREDITABLE काबिल तारीफ, his achievement is credible, CALENDER calendar, death keeps no calendar, CELENDER calendar इस्त्री करना, he is calendering my coat, DAIRY dairy farm, fresh milk is sold in a dairy, DAIRY diary, I put down everything in my diary, DECEA deceased marhum, the deceased has left 4 children behind him, DISEA acid disease बीमारी, cholera is a dangerous disease, DEVICE device तरीका, I was a good device to catch him red-handed, DEVICE device तदबीर करना, my friend devised many plants but all in vain, DEFERENCE difference ताज़ीम व तकरीम, treat your elders with difference, DIFFERENCE difference फर्क, what is the difference between beef and mutton, DEPRECIATE depreciate अकीर समझना, I do not depreciate your goodwill, DEPRECATE depreciate नापसंद करना, we depreciate war, DESIROUS desirous ख्वाहिशमंद, she is desirous of success, DESIRABLE desirable पसंदीदा, it is a desirable that we should be honest, DESERT desert Registan, it is very difficult to cross Gobi Desert, DSSERT dessert Shirini. They had some fruit for dessert at the end of their meal. DEAR deer Pyara. Pakistan is my dear country. DEER deer Hiran. I saw a deer in the zoo. Page number 239. DIVERS Divers. Gotakhor divers went down to search the dead body. DIVERSCE मुख्तलिफ. You will see their men of diverse character. TEFER differ मुलतवी करना. They have deferred the meeting to some other time. DIFFER differ इख्तलाफ करना. He never differ with me. DOSE dose दवाई की खुराक. You should take at least their dose of this medicine. DOZE dose ऊँघना. He always does it in the classroom. Due जायज़ हक. You must get your due. DEW due. Shabnam. There were dewdrops on the grass. DUAL dual dore. There are 40 dual desks in our classrooms. DUEL dual दो आदमियों की लड़ाई. Ahmed and Ali fought a duel. DIE die मरना. The old man died last night. DYE die रंगना. Dye my turban green please. DRAFT draft. Undi. He paid me a draft on the National Bank. DROUGST drought खुश्क साली. The result of drought is famine. DESTINY destiny मुकद्दर. He cannot change the course of destiny. DES destination manzil. He reached his destinations in time. Page number 240. DSCENT descent Uttarai. The descent from Murray to Rawalpindi is very dangerous. DISSENT descent इख्तलाफ. He asked the secretary to record his descent. ELIGIBLE eligible. L. You are not eligible for this post. ILLEGIBLE eligible. जो पढ़ा ना जा सके. His handwriting is eligible. EMINENT eminent काबिल. शायद is an eminent scholar. IMMENENT eminent अनकरीब होने वाला. His marriage is imminent. Emigrant. EMMIGRANT परदेसी. Pakistan immigrants to Japan get good employment. IMMIGRANT immigrant. Most of the Americans are to English immigrants. ENVELOP envelop छुपाना. The mountain was enveloped in the layer of mist. ENVELOPE लिफाफा. I bought a few envelopes. EXPAND expand फैलाना. Flower expands its leaves. EXPEND expand खर्च करना. I expand what I get. ELUDE elude हाथ से निकल जाना. नासिम खान elude the police. ALLUDE इशारा करना. Which is the boy you alluded to in your speech? ELICIT elicit कहलवाना. He could not elicit the required information from me. ILLICIT elicit गैर कानूनी. Khan deals in illicit trade in opium. ENVIOUS envious Asad. People are envious of him. ENVIABL enviable by Siraj. Akbar is an man of enviable nature. Edible Horoni. The edibles are dear these days. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Page number 241. FAIN fain बादल नखास्ता. I would fain meet him. FAIGN fain बहाना करना. He has feigned illness. FAIR fair मेला. The annual fair was in full swing. FARE fair किराया. What is the railway fare from Mardan to Peshawar? FWT feet पाँव. I have 2 feet. FEAT feet करतब. The juggler showed his feet. FIR fair snowber. Fir trees grow on mountains. FUR for posteen. Shazia wears fur coat. FLWR floor, farsh. He was laying on the floor. FLOUR floor, atta. There are many floor mills here. FOUL foul, galat. Naeed plays foul. FOWL foul, Murghabi. Rashid says many water fouls. FORTH fourth, aage. Let him come forth. FOURTH fourth, chota. Akbar is the fourth boy from the right. FARTHER further, ज़्यादा दूर. He went further than I. FUITHER further mazid. He further told that he would not go. FARMER farmer kisan. Your father is a farmer. FORMER farmer pehla. Ahmad Aslam are two brothers, the farmer. FAINT faint, बेहोश होना. He faint in no time. FEINT faint, धोखा देना. Naeed faint me. FLESH flesh, ghost. Mutton is the flesh of goat and sheep. FLASH flesh, jalak. Now I have no flash of hope. GMBLE gamble, जुआ खेलना. Do not gamble. Page number 242. GAMBAL gamble, कूदना. The Deers gamble. GOAL goal. Our team scored 2 goals. GAOL goal, कैद. The murder was in the goal. GILT guilt, sonary. Sacred books have generally gilt edges. GUILT guilt, jurm. He has confessed his guilt. Ghastly, bhayanak. My hair stood to hear the news of his ghastly murder. GHOSTLY ghastly, rohani. He Hindus offer cake to their ghostly father. Gracious, मेहरबान. God is gracious to all. Graceful, खूबसूरत. Rashid behaves in graceful manner. GAP gap. There was a gap between the hills. GAPE gap, मुंह फाड़ना. May that ground gap and shallow me alive. GATE gate, दरवाज़ा. The college has a big gate. GAIT gate, चाल. Our gate is very charming. GREAT great, Azim. Qaid-e-Azam was a great leader. GRATE great, chula. There was a grate in the room. HANG hang, फांसी देना. He was hanged yesterday. HUNG hang, लटकाना. Shaida hung out the cloth. Hair, बाल. My hair is black. HARE hair, खरगोश. I saw hair in the forest. HEIR hair, वारिस. Jamil is there to a large property. HEAR hair, सुनना. Please hear me. HER hair, I am here. HALE hail, तंदुरुस्त. He is hail the hearty. HAIL hail, ओले पढ़ना. It is hailing outside. Page number 243. HOLE hole, सुराख. Don't bore hole in the wood. WHOLE hole, तमाम. He was with me the whole day long. HEAL heal, इलाज करना. Time heal the wound. HEEL heal, एड़ी. A thorn has run in his heel. HEARD heard, सुनना. I heard a story. HERD heard, गिला. Ahmed looks after herd of cattle. HEWU kanta. The woodcutter hewed down the tree. HUEU wrong. Our clothes are of the same hue. HORD yard, grow. The herd of turtles made many inventions. HOARD yard, जमा करना. Kareem Khan hoards money. HUMAN human, इंसान. The tour is human. HUMAN human, दरमंदाना. Your treatment towards your enemies should be human. HISTORIC strict, मशहूर. The resolution of Pakistan in is strict event. Historical, तारीखी. Lahore is the historical city. Home, रहने का इलाका. Pakistan is our home. हाउस रहने की इमारत। आई बॉट अ न्यू हाउस। इंटरेस्टिंग दिलचस्प। इट इज़ एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी। इंटरेस्टेड दिलचस्पी रखना। ही वॉज इंटरेस्टेड इन गेम्स। आइडियल स्वस्थ। डू नॉट सिट। आइडियल ideal both. The Hindus worship idols. Ingenious. Ingenious. Ingenious umda. Imran hit upon an ingenious plan. Ingenious. Ingenious. Khushtaba. Mubin is quite ingenious. Page number 244. Imaginative. तखय्युल वाला. Iqbal is an imaginative poet. IMPOSSIBLE impossible नामुमकिन. It is impossible to reach there. IMPASSABLE impassable नाकाबिल गुजर. This river is impassable. IMPERIAL imperial shy. I visited to imperial place. Imperious maghrur. His brother looks imperious. Industrial Santi. Faisalabad is an industrial city. Industrious Mehnati. Asif as an industrious boy. INJECTION injection. He had few injection of glucose. INJUNCTIO injection. Hukm imtanai. He got an injection from the court. Junction मिलने की जगह. Nushara is a railway junction. Juncture खास वक्त. At the juncture has left the country. Judicial अदालती. Rahim sells judicial stamps. Judicious अकलाना. His decision was injudicious. LAIAR layer झूठा. Nadeem is a layer. LAIR layer. But the fox is in the layer. LAWYER liar. Wakir. My father is a liar. LYRE liar. Ban. Atif plays on a liar. LAYER layer. Teh. Layer of salts are found at Kangra. Lesson सबक. I am hearing my lesson. LESSEN lesson काम करना. He has lessened the price of shoes. LETTER letter खत. She read a letter. LATTER letter मुखरत जिक्र. Salim and Kareem are brothers. The letter is my friend. Lightning हल्का करना. He is lightening a burden of the altar. Lightning LIGHTNING आसमानी बिजली. There was a flash of lightning. LION lion share. There are 4 lions in the zoo. LOIN lion कमर. Grade up your lions. Page number 245. LOSE loose ढीला. My coat is very loose. LOSE loose खोना. Azra lost our bangles. LOVABLE lovable मोहब्बत के काबिल. His habits are lovable. Lovely प्यारा. It is a very lovely flower. LOATH loth नाराज़ामान. I am loth to help you. LOATHE लात नफरत करना. I lost to go there. MAIL male dark. The male will arrive soon. MALE male mard. There is no male member in the house. MAIN main खास. This is the main gate. MANE main घोड़े की गर्दन के बाल. He held the horse by the mane. MARRY marry शादी करना. शायद will marry soon. MERRY marry खुश. Eat play and make merry. MARTIAL martial जंगजू. Khalid comes of a martial race. MARSHAL martial सिपा सालार. The field marshal inspected the army. MEAN mean कमीना. Zaid is a mean fellow. MIEN mean वज़ा. The games have ugly mean. MWT meet मुलाकात करना. I shall soon meet my friend. MEAT meet गोश्त. मुमताज़ likes meats of goat. MEDAL medal दाहत. Ziauddin won a gold medal. MEDDLE medal दखल देना. Do not meddle with my affairs. METAL metal दाहत. gold is metal. METTLE, metal, bahadri. His metal will be tested. MINER, minor, kankani. The miners lead a hard life. MINOR, minor, nabalagh. The miners are not allowed to work in factories. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Page number 248. PREY Preshkar. The lion is the best of prey. President Nazir he failed to give any precedent for his case. PRESID anti-president Sadr Rashid is the president of our union. PRINCIPLES principal Rasool, his father is a man of principles. PRINCIPL principal Mr. Akram is the principal of our college. Prescribed नुस्खा लिखना, the doctor prescribed to medicine. Prescribe कुतुब को जब्त करना, the government has prescribed this book. Persecute जुल्म करना, the Muslim are persecuted in India. Prosecute Nawaz will be prosecuted soon. Personal PRSONAL ज़ाती, do not interfere in my personal matter. PRSONNEL personal amla, the personal if of this office is efficient. Politic danishmandana, it is not politic to oppose your brother. Politics siyasat, he does not take part in politics. Popular Makbul, Mukhtar is very popular with his student. Populous Gunjanabad, Peshawar is populous city. PROFIT profit munafa, I shall get much profit in this business. PROPHET prophet Payghambar, God has sent many prophets for the guidance of the people. Physics ilm tib, he is studying physics. PHYSIQUE physics jismani sakht, he is a young man of good physics. Page number 249. PROCWD proceed jana, he intend to proceed to UK for higher studies. PRECWD precede bartar hona, duty precedes very thing. Prophecy 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 peshangoyi, the prophecy came true. PROPHESY prophecy peshangoyi karna, I cannot prophecy in the matter. Quiet QUIET khamosh, please keep quiet. QUITE bilkul, I am quite well. RAIN rain barish, it has been raining since morning. REIN lagam, he held the horse by the rein. REIGN rain, hukumat karna, Akbar reigned for about 50 years. RAISE raise uthana, the child raised his head. RAZE raise musmar karna, the building was raised to ground. RIGHT right haq, I am fighting for my rights. WRITE right tahrir karna, write a letter to your father. RITE right rasm, his son performed his mural rights. RWT root jad, the trees have roots. ROUTE root rasta, I want to go get a root permit. ROUT route shikast, the India army was put to rout. Respectable muhazzab, Shabaz belonged to a respectable family. Respectful muaddab, Shabir is respectful to his teacher. ROLE role kirdar, everybody plays 7 roles in his life. ROLL role hazri, the teacher is calling the role. Resource Riya, what are the resources of your country? Page number 250. RESOURCE resource madal lena, I had a resource to him when I was in trouble. Relation rishtedari, a man without relation feels awkward in society. Relative rishtedar, I have many relatives in the city. SAILER sailor jahaz, our ship was a fast sailor. SAILOR sailor mala, his father is a sailor. Sensible Samajdar, Rafiq is a sensible man. Sensitive Asas, Kamar is very sensitive. Shade Saya, the farmer was sitting in the shade of the tree. Shadow Ox, The dog saw his shadow in the water. Social Muashrati. There are many social problems in our country. Sociable. Malansar. Jamil is very sociable. SOAR soar urna. The bird soar very high. SOR is soar दुखता हुआ. Our throat is sore. SOUR soar thrush. This mango is sure. Tursh. This mango is sure. SOLE soul wahid. It is the soul college here. SOUR soul ru. The soul goes to other world. STATIONARY stationary sakan. The sun is stationary. STATIONERY saman tahrir. I bought stationery for my office. STRAIGHT straight सीधा. I shall go straight of my office. STRAIT straight abnai. Those ship went into the strait. SWEET sweet मीठा. The apples are sweet. SWEAT sweet pasina. There is sweet on his face. SOW saw beach bona. We saw good seeds to grow more food. Sew Sina, please sew a shirt for me. Page 251. Severely sakhti se. He treats us very severely, strictly. Hubahu, we have done this strictly as you told us. SEAM seem लगना. They seem to be sad. SEAM seem दो सिलाइयों के दरमियान line. Green and yellow. The seams on his new coat are green and yellow. SEEN seen देखा. We have seen him before. SCENE seen नज़ारा. It is a beautiful mountain scene. SAIL sail कश्ती चलना. Our ship will sail tomorrow. SALE sail बकरी. This bus is on sale. SENT sent भेजा गया. He was sent to jail. SCENT sent खुशबू. The smell of this scent is very sweet. SEND sent भेजना. I sent him a letter. SAND sent रेत. What is the price of a bag of sand? SACK sack bori. He brought a sack of flour. SAKE sack wasta. Please help me for God's sake. Suit मुकदमा. Akram filed a suit against him. SUIT suit flat. Nazir hired a suit of rooms in hotel. SON son beta. His son helped him. SUN son Suraj. The sun is shining. SOM is some coach. He bought some books. SUM some sawal. I am doing some story kahani. It is an interesting story. Page number 252. STORY story manzal. My house has 2 stories. SPACIOUS spacious kushada. Our college has spacious hall. SPECIOUS spacious bazaar sahi. Your arguments are spacious. TEM team. Our team is very strong. TWM team barjana. This tank teams with fish. Temper mazah. TMPER do not lose temper. TMPER temper तारीफ करना. The certificate seems to be tempered with. TENOR tenor rasta. The tenor of his life was full of problem. TENUR tenor muddat. The tenure of the office of the president is 5 years. Test parak azmaish. Imran is playing test match these days. TASTE taste zaika. What is the taste of the fruit? URBANE urban. Shaista. His behavior is very urban. URBAN urban shari. I have some urban property. Unwanted. UNWANTED. जिसकी ज़रूरत ना हो. His presence here is unwanted. UNWONTED unwanted गैर मामूली. They built their house with unwanted haste. VAIN vain खुदसर. She is a vain girl. VEIN vain rug. Blood runs through our veins. VINE vain bale. Ripe grapes are hanging for the wine. WINE wine sharab. The Hindus drink wine. VEIL veil parda. Muslim women wear veil. VALE Whale Wadi. The whale of Kashmir is charming. Page number 253. Virtual Akiki. VIRTUAL. Tipu was virtual role of the state. Virtuous Saleh. Sharif leads a virtuous life. Vocation Pesha. Tahir is a carpenter by vocation. VACATIUN vacation. Tehsilat. Khan visited Peshawar in summer vacation. WAIST waist comer. She tries a belt round her waist. WAST waist try karna. Do not waste your time. WAY way रास्ता. My friend meet me on the way. WEIGH way वजन करना. Please weigh my luggage. Weather. WEATHER weather मौसम. The weather is fine today. WHEATHER weather ha. I do not know whether he will come or not. WARE where mall. Irfan sells his wares. WER where penna. Haji Lal Deen wears a cap. WRECK wreck. Tabai. The ship was a complete wreck. WREAK wreck इंतकाम लेना. He will not wreck if they let him go. WEAK weak कमज़ोर. I am very weak in English. WWK weak हफ्ता. There are 7 days in a week. WANDER wonder आवारागर्दी. He was wonder in the hills. WONDER wonder Iran. I wonder to see him so. WRING ring निचोड़ना. She is wringing the cloths. RING ring अंगूठी. I bought a ring. WOMANLY womanly औरतों की सिफ्त. Modesty is womanly virtue. Womanish औरतों का सा. Do not shed womanish tears. Page number 254. Willing Khashman. He is willing to see you. Willful Khudsar Rashid Iza. So willful that he does not listen to anybody. Exercise number 1. Use the following pair of words in your own sentence. Peshawar Board 2015. Cast CAST cast. Number 2. DIRY diary. DIARY diary. Number 3. THROW throw. THROUGH throw. Number 4. Device. DEVICE device. DEVICE device. Number 5. Eligible. ELIGIBLE eligible. ILLEGIBLE eligible. Solution. Caste Zat. He belongs to a respectable caste. CAST caste फेंकना. The fishermen cast their net into the water. DIRY diary. He has gone to the dairy farm. DIARY diary. I have bought a new diary. THROW throw फेंकना. They were throwing stone. THROUGH throw के जरिए. The blood runs through veins. DEVICE device तरीका. It was a good device to catch him. DEVICE device तदबीर करना. My friend devised many plans, but all in vain. ELIGIBLE eligible royal. He is not eligible for this post. ILLEGIBLE eligible जो पढ़ा ना जा सके.
Dear students, this audio recording has been done for you by Humanitarian Development Organization, Abbottabad. HTO is striving hard to bring positive change in sectors of health, education, and livelihood since 2011, non-funded and purely on self-help basis. Organization has not only converted the textbooks of KPK into audio form, but also of the whole country from FA to master's level, including courses of Allama Iqbal Open University. The core objective of this educational campaign is to enable visually challenged students to continue their studies up to the higher levels and play their positive role in the prosperity of their nation and country. These all recordings are being provided totally free of cost to visually challenged students. Other students, rather than visually challenged students, can also get benefit of this educational convenience. Humanitarian Development Organization, Abbottabad. Email hdoatd@gmail.com. Website hdorg.net. Contact 0345 9541 838.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Page number 255. Exercise number 2. Abbottabad Board 2015. Use the following pairs of words in your own sentence. Number 1. SIT site, CIT site. Number 2. BREAK break, BRAKE break. Number 3. BRIDLE bridal, BRIDL bridal. IDUL idol, IDLE ideal. Number 5. Confident, CUNFIDENT, CUNFIDANT. Solution. SIT site जगह. It is a good site for mask. CIT site हवाला देना. The speaker cite Iqbal's verses in his speech. BREAK break तोड़ना. Do not broke my pen. BRAKE break, break. The brake of my car are out of order. BRIDLE bridal लगाम. He has bought a new bridle for his horse. BRIDAL bridal arusi. She was wearing a bridal dress. IDUL idol, both Hindus worship idols. IDLE idol because do not sit idle. CUNFIDENT confident, Puratmad. I am confident of my success. CUNFIDENT confident, Amraz. Akram is my confident in this matter. Exercise number 3, Malakand Board 2015. Use the following pair of words in your own sentence. Number 1. BREATH breathe, BREATHE breathe. Number 2. COARSE course, COURSE course. DESERT desert, DSSERT desert. Number 4. HEARD heard, HERD heard. Number 5. SAIL sale, SALE sale. Page number 256. Solution. BREATH breathe, सांस. She was out of breath. BREATHE breathe, सांस लेना. It is very difficult to breathe in his room. COARSE course, मोटा सख्त. Aslam wear coarse clothes. COURSE course, निसाब. We have finished our course. DESERT desert, Registan. It is very difficult to course his desert. DSSERT desert, Shirini. They had some fruit for dessert at the end of the meal. HEARD heard sunna. He heard to story interestingly. HERD मवेशियों का गला. M looks after the herd of cattle. SAIL sail, चलना. The ship is sailing. SALE sail, बकरी फरोख. What is your daily sale? Exercise number 4, Swat Board 2015. Use the following pair of words in your own sentence. ACCEPT accept, EXCEPT accept. Number 2. PRIDL bridal, BRIDLE bridal. Number 3. TEMPER temper, TEMPER temper. Number 4. MESSAG message, MASSAG message. Number 5. PORE pure, POUR pure. Solution. Accept, ACCEPT कबूल करना. E accept my offer, EXCEPT accept. All except Ali was present in the class. BRIDL bridal, Arusi. She bought a bridal dress. BRIDLE bridal लगाम. Khan bought a new bridle for his horse. Page number 257. TMPR temper, तारीफ करना. The certificate seems to be a temper with. TMPR temper, मजा. Do not lose temper. MESSAG message, पैगाम. His message was hopeful. MASSAG massage. Walter gel is a massage cream. PORE pure masam. Our body has pores. POUR pure कराना डालना. Pure out some water of harmony. Exercise number 5, Cohort Board 2015. Use the following pair of words in your own sentence. QUITE quite, QUIET quite. Number 2. BREAK break, BRAKE break. Number 3, DESCENT descent, DESSENT descent. Number 4, MAIN main, MANE main, HAIL HALE. Solution, quiet, बिल्कुल, I am quite well here, QUIET quiet, खामोश, please keep quiet. BREAK break, तोड़ना, she broke the glass. BRAKE break, the break of my ears are out of order. DESCENT descent, उतराई, the descent from Murray to Rawalpindi is very dangerous. DESCENT descent, इख्तलाफ, he asked the secretary to record the descent. HAIL ओले पढ़ना, it is hailing outside. HALE hail तंदुरुस्त, Ali is hail and hearty. MAIN main खास, this is the main gate of the house. MANE main, घोड़े की गर्दन के बाल, he held the horse by the mane. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Page number 255. Exercise number 2. Abbottabad Board 2015. Use the following pairs of words in your own sentence. Number 1, SIT site, CIT site. Number 2, BREAK break, BRAKE break. Number 3, BRIDLE bridle, BRIDL bridle, IDUL idol, IDLE ideal. Number 5, confident, CUNFIDENT, CUNFIDANT. Solution, SIT site जगह, it is a good site for mask. CIT site हवाला देना, the speaker site Iqbal's verses in his speech. BREAK break तोड़ना, do not broke my pen. BRAKE break, the brake of my car are out of order. BRIDLE bridle लगाम, he has bought a new bridle for his horse. BRIDAL bridal arusi, she was wearing a bridal dress. Ideal idol, both Hindus worship idols. IDLE idol because do not sit idle. CUNFIDENT confident, Puratmar, I am confident of my success. CUNFIDENT confident, Amraz, Akram is my confident in this matter. Exercise number 3, Malakand Board 2015. Use the following pair of words in your own sentence. Number 1, BREATH breathe, BREATHE breathe. Number 2, COARSE course, COURSE course. DESERT desert, DESSERT desert. Number 4, HEARD heard, HERD heard. Number 5, SAIL sale, SALE sale. Page number 256. Solution, BREATH breathe, सांस, she was out of breath. BREATHE breathe, सांस लेना, it is very difficult to breathe in his room. COARSE course, मोटा सख्त. Aslam wear coarse clothes. COURSE course, निसाब, we have finished our course. DESERT desert, Registan, it is very difficult to course his desert. DESSERT desert, Shirini, they had some fruit for dessert at the end of the meal. HEARD heard sunna, he heard to story interestingly. HERD मवेशियों का गला. Emma looks after the herd of cattle. SAIL sail, चलना, the ship is sailing. SALE sail, बकरी फरोख, what is your daily sale? Exercise number 4, Swat Board 2015. Use the following pair of words in your own sentence. ACCEPT accept, EXCEPT accept. Number 2, BRIDL bridle, BRIDLE bridle. Number 3, TEMPER temper, TEMPER temper. Number 4, MESSAGE message, MASSAGE message. Number 5, PORE pure, POUR pure. Solution, accept, ACCEPT कबूल करना, he accept my offer. EXCEPT accept, all except Ali was present in the class. BRIDL bridal, Arusi, she bought a bridal dress. BRIDLE bridal लगाम, Khan bought a new bridle for his horse. Page number 257. TEMPER temper, तारीफ करना, the certificate seems to be a temper with. TEMPER temper, मजा, do not lose temper. MESSAGE message, पैगाम, his message was hopeful. MASSAG massage. Walter gel is a massage cream. PORE pure masam. Our body has pores. POUR pure garana dalna. Pure out some water of harmony. Exercise number 5. Cohort Board 2015. Use the following pair of words in your own sentence. QUITE quite. QUIET quite. Number 2, BREAK break. BRAKE break. Number 3, DESCENT decent. DESSENT decent. Number 4, MAIN main. MANE main. HAIL hail. HALE hail. Solution: quite, बिल्कुल. I am quite well here. QUIET quite, खामोश. Please keep quiet. BREAK break, तोड़ना. She broke the glass. BRAKE break. The break of my ears are out of order. DESCENT descent, उतराई. The descent from Murray to Rawalpindi is very dangerous. DESCENT descent, इख्तलाफ. He asked the secretary to record the descent. HAIL hail, ओले पढ़ना. It is hailing outside. HALE hail, तंदुरुस्त. Ali is hail and hearty. MAIN main, खास. This is the main gate of the house. MANE main, घोड़े की गर्दन के बाल. He held the horse by the mane. Page number 258. Exercise number 6. Mardan Board 2015. Use the following pair of words in your own sentence. COUNCIL council. COUNSEL council. Number 2, CHEK check. CHEQUE check. Number 3, KNOTTY naughty. NAUGSTY naughty. VAIN vain. VEIN vain. Number 5, HEAL heel. HEEL heel. Solution: COUNCIL council. Majlis. He is the member of National Assembly. COUNSEL council, मशवरा. She accept my counsel. CHEK चेक, पड़ताल करना. Please check my account. CHEQUE check, नोट का चेक. Please get his check cashed. KNOTTY naughty, पेचीदा. It is a naughty problem. NAUGSTY naughty, शरीर. Ashraf is a naughty boy. VA vain, खुदसर. She is a vain girl. VEIN vain, drug. Blood runs through our veins. HEAL heal, इलाज करना. HEAL heal, इलाज करना. Time heals the wound. HEEL heal, एड़ी. A thorn has run into his heel. Exercise number 7. Peshawar Board 2016. Use the following pairs of words in your own sentence. Number 1, AMICABLE amiable. AMIABLE amiable. Number 2, AFFECTATION affection. Number 3, corporal. CORPOREAL corporeal. DIARY diary. DIRY diary. FLOUR floor. FLWR floor. Solution: number 1, amiable, dostana. Let us come to some amiable terms. AMIABLE amiable, dilkash. Your amiable way have entered you to everybody. Number 2, affectation, बनावट. I hated him for his affectation in his manners. Affection, mohabbat. The mother has great affection for the child. CORPORAL corporal, jismani. I hate corporal punishment. Corporeal, mavi. Angels are not corporeal being. DIARY diary. I bought a new diary. DIRY diary, dairy farm. It is my dairy farm. FLOUR floor, atta. He bought a bag of flour. FLWR floor, farsh. She was laying on the floor. Exercise number 8. Mardan 2016. Use the following pair of words in your own sentence. SCLL cell. CELL cell. EXCESS excess. ACCESS excess. TALE tail. TAIL tail. ABJECT object. OBJECT object. VAIN vein. VEIN vein. Solution: SCLL cell, फरोख्त करना. He was selling milk. CELL cell, कोठड़ी. The beggar was lying in the dark cell. EXCESS excess, ज्यादती. Excess of very thing is bad. ACCESS excess, रसाई. I have no access on to the principal. TALE tale, कहानी. He was telling a tale. Tail, tail, dum. It is the tail of the cat. Abject, akir. A dishonest man lead an object life. Page number 260. OBJECT object maqsad. What is the object of your life? VAIN vain khud sir. She is a vain girl. VEIN vain. Rug. Blood runs through veins. Exercise number 9. Abad Board 2016. Use the following pair of words in your own sentence. SOUL soul, SOLE soul, WHALE whale, WAIL whale, PRSECUT pursuit, PROSECUT prosecute, SAIL sale, SALE sale, GIT gate, GATE gate. Solution. SOUL soul rule. The soul goes to the other world. SALE sale wahid. It is the soul. It is the sale. The college here. WHALE whale, whale machli. He saw whale in the river. WAIL whale, cheek. I heard the whale in the valley. Prosecute, PRSECUT, zulm karna. The Muslims are persecuted in India. PROSECUT, prosecute, मुकदमा चलाना. शायद will be prosecuted soon. SAIL sail चलना. The ship is sailing. SALE sale frocht. What is your daily sale? GIT gate char. She has a charming gate. GAT gate. It is the gate of the building. Exercise number 10. Use the following pair of words in your own sentence. Swat Board 2016. POUR pure. PORE pure. Number 2. POPULAR popular. Populous. ROUT road. ROUT road. STATIONARY stationary. STATIONERY stationary. WRING ring. RING ring. Solution. Page number 261. Number 1. Pure. POUR pure. Garana dalna. Pour some water in the glass. PORE pure masam. Our body has pure. POPULAR popular. Makbul. Rashid is very popular in the class. Populous. Gunjanabad. Peshawar is populous city. ROUT route Rashta. I want to get a route permit. ROUT route. Shikast. The Indian Army was put to route. STATIONARY stationary Sakan. The sun is stationary. STATIONERY stationary Samane Tarir. I bought some stationery for my office. WRING ring Chorna. She is ringing the clothes. RING ring Anguti. Rani bought a new ring.